Do you make money while you sleep yet? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. That's our question for today and our topic for today for both the Supersize You and the Supersize Your Business Annual Challenges. Today we're talking, of course, about passive income. Active income, trading our time for money, anything that we trade our physical labor, time, and energy for money, that is considered active income. Passive income is things like dividends from stocks and bonds, royalties, royalty fees, commissions off something that we created once that we continue to receive, rental property, rental income tends to be passive because we can actually hire everybody to do everything that's involved in generating that income, which means we don't have to trade our time for money and we can still be making money on those type of things. Online businesses, affiliate marketing, digital products and services, online courses, online anything, any product we can digitalize, create once, and then sell it over and over and over again automatically, actually on autopilot. And nowadays with AI and everything, I don't understand it yet, but I'm sure I will figure it out in the not too distant future, because it's going to be the way that a lot of people are creating income and bringing streams of income into our lives. Why? Because there's no ceiling, there's no cap on how much passive income we can make, but there is a cap on how much we can physically do as a human being. We only have 24 hours in a day, every single one of us, and it's how we choose to use those hours that matter most. Still traveling. I think we're heading home today, so it means a couple more days of traveling. If I can help you anyway, hit me up and ask. But it might be a little bit harder to reach depending on where I am. But I'm still available. If you leave me a message, if you send me a message, I will get it. And as soon as I get it, I will absolutely positively return your question, call, whatever form of communication we are having. So we're talking about that today. Working on my school community, trying to help a friend win the school games. If you know what the school platform is or not. Some people do, some people don't. I personally love it. It's a place where I am in the process of taking everything that I have done and do and making passive streams of income out of it by building a community of people. And together we are helping other people to grow and build and supersize and scale their businesses. That's my first school. I suspect I'll have more than one. If you've known me for any amount of time, you know I usually have a whole bunch of fingers in a whole bunch of different pies. Why? Because I love it. It keeps me going. It keeps me feeling young for my many, many years here on the planet. That's all I've got. I'm exhausted. It's been a very long week or so traveling. I don't think I've gotten more than 4 hours sleep since we left home. Spring breaking with my daughter and her two daughters and visiting my mom. And so it's fun. It's awesome. It's also exhausting. So if I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, have an awesome day. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.